Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. And today we have what I think is the weekend deal with a mixed in ITC early access. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing and hyping. And just know that we get these deals to you first. And let's jump in. Clearly, here it is. We've done this before. We've been here before. We have 20% off all Predator gas generators. All Predator gas generators, which I think is just to clarify between the power stations. I mean, I think most of the generators are gas generators, but we'll look at them. 20% off gas generators. Let's just go over the fine print, but there will be 20% off for ITC, all Predator gas generators, early access, 1 day only, starting tomorrow. We'll go over that in a second. So, valid in store while supplies last, valid 2/20 through 2/22. So that's the weekend. That's this Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Pre-sale included. Coupon must be presented at time of use. 20% off all Predator gas generators purchased. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Excludes Inside Track Club membership, extended service plans, open box items, and gift cards. Other restrictions may apply. ITC members get early access to sales. So will there be other sales? Is this the ITC Appreciation Day sales that they were talking about? It's just 1 day, but at least this is the weekend deal at the very worst. We'll go over the 20% off all gas generators. So this one, well, let's go over it first. It's 1 day only, early access. So this is Thursday. This is starting tomorrow. And I guess the idea is, I mean, it does say pre-sale included. So is there anything you wouldn't be able to get? The idea would be of items that are in stock, in store. Maybe there's snow store coming up. Maybe it's going to be a generator weekend coming up again. So if you're ITC, you can beat everybody to the store with 1 day access, 20% off. But if people are buying generators because there's a storm coming, and we saw this recently, I mean, it doesn't matter if it's 20% off or not. People are buying the generators. So I'm not too sure how I feel about this 20% off 1 day early access. There's very few items that I've seen them do this type of sale that warrant early access. Besides, maybe you can pick up some items a day early with the discount. And I feel like that's the case for this one. I don't see there being too much of an upside getting early access. But HARBROs, correct me if I'm wrong. Is this 1 day early access a huge plus? I feel like it's not for gas generators, but I could be wrong. But let's go over the ITC 20% off all generators, early access, 1 day only, February 19th. So you do have a chance to get it before everybody. Only the 19th, pre-sale included, no coupon required. Discount applied at the register. 20% off all Predator gas generators purchased. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. No cash value, non-transferable. Excludes ITC membership, extended service plans, open box items, gift cards. Other restrictions may apply. So pretty clear cut. 20% off is good. We've had a few 20% off any single item. So if anything, this matches that. I would think they'd go with the 25% off, but we're not there. We're at 20% off Thursday access, 20% off for everybody else. Same discount, just Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We will not skip over these other two. So there is technically two sales, and they did this last time as well. 25% off all Predator generator covers and wheel kits, because a lot of these generators, they show the wheel kits on the generator, but they actually don't come with them. The wheel kits are sold separately, and then of course a cover for your generator. Just good storage behavior and practice. So 25% off for everybody starting the 20th, of course, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Same verbiage. And then, of course, for ITC, same thing, 25% off for all generator covers and wheel kits, but you get early access 1 day only. So you get access before everybody else. And that's the weekend deal with 1 day early access for ITC. We will take a look here at all the generators. So they all run shot by fuel type. I mean, they all take gasoline. So to me, they're all gas generators. It just depends which ones you want to get. And we'll do just a relatively quick dive. I guess this is a great deal Although 20% off any item also would have got you there, so you just have multiple chances. There are a few new generators. The 11,500 watt, the tri-fuel, which is gasoline, propane, and natural gas super quiet inverter generator with remote start. 49 state compliant. Let me guess which state is not compliant. I would guess California. Oh, it does say California compliant. It says 49 state compliant and California compliant. 2,100 bucks. And at 20% off, I mean, you're going to get a nice 2,200 bucks. You're going to get a nice discount with the 20% off. Gets down to 1,700, which is still a pretty penny to purchase, but you're saving about $440. Is that what it is? Almost 500 bucks. Super nuts. But if you're in the market for a generator, this is ideal for RVs, home backup systems, mobile businesses. This is probably the creme de la creme, right? That's the 11,500 watt tri-fuel. Then you have the 9,500 watt super quiet inverter generator secure technology at 2,000 bucks. You save a clean $400 there. Get down to 1,600 bucks for the 9,500 watt. Which one of these are you looking for, HARBROs? 13,000 watt tri-fuel portable generator with remote start and CO secure. Not super quiet, but 1,300 bucks worth of generators. I mean, if you're trying to get power, who needs to be quiet? Get that down to 1,040 bucks, almost $300 off. Of course, the 5,000 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator. The brand new 10,000 watt gas powered portable generator with remote start, CO secure, 49 state compliant. That feels like a new brand marketing. 900 bucks. 10,000 watt provides more power for home backup emergencies and tools at job sites. PGMA compliant, automatic idle down, remote start, fuel tank for 12 hours of runtime. 900 bucks, and at 20% off, getting down to 720. So saving almost 200 bucks, about $180 off. Excellent deal, and it's a new tool. Very rare to get such deep discounts on brand new tools. They do have what? I was gonna check the instant savings, but here we are. Deal ends 3/5. We have this 1,800 watt gas powered portable generator with CO secure technology, 49 state compliant. Portable generator, great for low power applications. Compact, lightweight, PGMA compliant, provides reliable power. Carbon monoxide shutdown for safety. 1,800 watt. This is on instant savings. I didn't realize there was a generator on instant savings. So you're already saving 50 bucks. So $350, already down $50. But as we know, the HARBROs know, $300 instant savings stacks should stack with these deals because it's just essentially a temporary, limited time only price. So it should. 300 bucks. At 9 out of 10 stores. I know I hear some of the HARBROs in the comments that their stores run a different ship, and that happens sometimes. But in 9 out of 10 cases, we're able to stack 240 bucks. So 240 off of 350, you're saving 31%, almost 32%. Now, is this the generator for you? I don't know. 1,800 watt gas powered portable generator with CO secure might not be enough for you. Let's see what people are using it for. Could use a USB port. Okay. Great help during 4-day power outage in California. They have their own video here. And not too many picture reviews. Like the size, it's easy to move around. Verified buyer, February 9th, 2026. Easy for older adults to move around from shop to work site. Bought for backup on my off-grid cabinet and to charge batteries. Burns way less gas than my bigger generator. So, HARBROs, is this something you'd look at? Instant savings stack, get it up to 32% off. It will go back up to 350, but that's a super interesting one. And then you have your smaller options, of course, of the super quiet, the 2,500 watt super quiet inverter generator, CO secure technology. Great for camping and tailgating. Maybe this will be a good option for everybody who camps and who tailgates and doesn't want to make a whole lot of noise at $630. And at 20% off, getting it down to 504 bucks, saving about $130. Anyways, HARBROs, that's the weekend deal plus early ITC access. Let me know what you think. 20% off all generators, essentially generator days. 1 day early access for ITC, then 25% off the cover and wheel kits. And then, of course, same thing, early access for ITC members. And we will just we always just do a separate reminder. New tools, new green Icon mechanic screwdriver set. If you're at the end of this video, new Icon professional mechanic screwdriver set in green. Green looks nice. Look at that. Everything's perfectly marked to make things easier so you know what you're grabbing. $50. Let's wait for that Icon screwdriver sale. Thin bronze 1000 lumen rechargeable slim headlamp. That's pretty cool. 1000 lumens. That's wild out of that tiny of a light, but look at that. That's looking like RoboCop. But I'll leave it at that. New Bauer modular rolling box with 8-inch wheels and removable handle. New Earthquake XT half-inch composite air impact wrench. $150. New Pittsburgh 16-inch adjustable spud. I'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing and hyping. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your